Just imagine a city that housed all the knowledge of the world, all the mathematical and scientific treatises, all the works of literature and the flights of philosophical fancy. A place where writers and artists and scientists met to debate and to pioneer thought. Just think of what ideas and inventions that city would produce, what power its knowledge would bring to its rulers. Just think of what would happen if that wealth of knowledge was destroyed, burnt to the ground or scattered to the winds. A terrible moment when civilization itself was stopped in its tracks. This sounds like some kind of science fiction fantasy, but this was a reality, and this was the real place where it happened. A city where its secrets are hidden beneath the sea and beneath its streets. This is the city of Alexandria, and this is its extraordinary story. Although we might think that Athens and Rome were the greatest cities in antiquity, for my money, that claim could well go to Alexandria. For over 2,300 years, the city has occupied a key junction between the eastern and western worlds. Lying in Egypt at the top of the Nile Delta on the coast of the Mediterranean, today it's a sprawling place and every inch is jam-packed with activity. But curiously, the ancient city is conspicuous by its absence. The modern city here really buzzes with life, but it can be a bit hard to get a handle on ancient Alexandria. We spent weeks here without realising that this was once home to really a roll call of the great good of antiquity, because it was here that Alexander the Great was buried. Here that Cleopatra seduced from Cleopatra, and this was the home to one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Piecing together the scattered jigsaw puzzle, I'm going to explore the incredible story of this extraordinary city, where the Pharos lighthouse shone its beacon out over spectacular theatres, temples and colonnades. Monuments as grand as anywhere in the ancient world.
It's colossal. You see the human scale. It's more than 13 meters high.
Which combined the best of Greek, Roman and Egyptian design to create a dynamic hybrid culture.
We're mixing and matching. We're being purely Alexandrian. We're taking what we want, sticking it together. We're open to everything.
And most importantly, where intellectual advances, new philosophies, new sciences were a driving force of the city. And that's what makes this place so special. Although Alexandria was immensely wealthy, it didn't just sponsor grand monuments. It put an absolute value on wisdom.